Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today we're going to talk about the Zontes 350e, the new scooter that's coming to Europe. And this video is just a training video, so it's nothing that you're going to have any problems with your bike. But the Zontes 350e comes with blue ambient lights surrounding the front of the headlights at the front. And this video is a training video on how to replace those blue ambient lights. But we're not bothered about having to replace them. It's the fact that I don't think that the blue lights on the front in Europe will be activated, will be on. I haven't looked at the legislation in detail, yet I do know that in the UK that the ambient lights will not be legal. The highway code stipulates what you can have on the front activated lights, like white lights, obviously your headlights, and yellow indicator lights. Now the yellow ones on some Honda bikes, the indicators are like on the Forza 300, on the Africa Twin, etc., are activated all the time. They're actually like highlighted yellow all the time as if they're on. And then when you indicate, one of them actually starts to flash as an indicator. I think that's something to do with America. In America they have yellow standard side lights that are activated on all the time. Like marker lights you could call them. And in the UK this is because blue is for the ambulance, police and firefighters, so they can have blue flashing lights so you know they're coming. So these blue lights won't be legal in that respect, so I can't see them being switched on. I can't see them taking them off the bike. If they change them to orange, then they would be illegal in that respect. I'm not sure they thought about that. I just think they'll be unplugged, so I suppose you could, if you wanted to, plug them back in when you got your bike, unless they're going to be active when you get your bike. They're not going to stop production and change and take them out and leave a gap. They'll just turn them off by unclipping the wire like you just see there. There's a wire that they can unclip that just deactivates them. So anyway, I'm going to stop waffling now. This is just a training video so you can see where they are, etc. Then you can switch them on, obviously, if you wanted to. They're switched off when you do buy your bike. This is Mad Mick. Please like, subscribe, follow our channel. It's growing in fantastic numbers, thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing if you have already. And join our journey if you haven't. This is Man Mick, signing off. Thank you for watching. Tatty bye for now.
Chest that won't go away. I'm empty, nothing inside but my mind. All I own, I don't have a thing that is mine. Days are worse, time is my friend till it ends. Thank you for consciousness that lends. How could I make myself numb? Why so dumb? 20 weeks till I'm dead and no sense.